King Charles has resumed his public engagements while undergoing treatment for cancer. Accompanied by Queen Camilla, he visited a cancer hospital in London on April 30th. During the visit, which lasted about an hour, they met with medical specialists and patients to underscore the significance of early cancer detection and to gain insights into the available support. This hospital visit marks King Charles's first official public engagement since his cancer diagnosis was announced on February 5. Despite his diagnosis, he has been actively working behind the scenes, hosting small audiences and greeting well-wishers after attending a church service on Easter Sunday. Although the hospital visit was not directly related to the monarch's medical care, it served as an opportunity to emphasize the importance of early detection. King Charles made his cancer diagnosis public with the intention of raising awareness about this crucial aspect of cancer care. A spokesperson for Buckingham Palace previously stated that this decision was aimed at aiding public understanding and providing support to those affected by cancer worldwide. Upon arrival, King Charles stepped out of his maroon Bentley and waved to well-wishers, some of whom leaned out of open windows to catch a glimpse. The media called out, asking how he was feeling, and the king acknowledged their good wishes. Outside the hospital, loyal royalist John Loffrey, 69, expressed his pleasure at seeing the king back in action. After waving to the cameras, King Charles and Queen Camilla were warmly greeted by senior hospital staff and dignitaries. While the palace has not disclosed the specific type of cancer the king is facing, they have clarified that it is not prostate cancer. Royal aides emphasized on Tuesday that while King Charles's public appearance demonstrates that individuals can continue working while undergoing cancer treatment, each person's journey is unique and should be guided by medical advice. During their visit, King Charles and Queen Camilla aimed to highlight the importance of early cancer diagnosis and acknowledge innovative research funded by Cancer Research UK carried out at the University College Hospital Macmillan Centre in central London. The royal couple engaged with clinicians, learning about cutting-edge technologies like CT scanners that facilitate early cancer detection. David Probert, the chief executive of University College Hospital London, described the monarch as full of great energy and noted his positive engagement and enthusiasm with the staff. The royal couple's decision to resume public work at the hospital held tremendous significance for the staff, especially considering the challenging years the NHS has faced, including the recent COVID-19 pandemic. The visit brought joy and motivation to the hospital, and Probert emphasized that the staff's happiness and eagerness to meet the king and queen were genuine. The smiles and enthusiastic comments reflected the understanding that they were interacting with someone who had experienced a difficult journey themselves. King Charles, the new patron of Cancer Research UK, met with the charity's chief clinician, Professor Charlie Swanton, during his visit. In addition to King Charles's new patronage, Queen Camilla is actively involved in combating cancer and its impact on families. As the president of Maggie's Cancer Charity, she oversees the provision of expert care and support, free of charge, at centers across the UK and online for individuals with cancer, as well as their friends and families. Since assuming the role of president, she has made regular visits to centers throughout the UK and inaugurated a new Maggie's Centre at London's Royal Free Hospital in January 2024. As they departed the hospital, King Charles and Queen Camilla were presented with flowers by young patients, Della Thomas, 6, and Ellis Edwards, 11. In return, the royal couple had gifts for the youngsters, including books for Ellis and a bag of goodies for Della, which included a toy version of Camilla's rescue dog, Beth, and a large chocolate coin. Buckingham Palace announced on April 26 that this outing would be the first of several engagements planned for King Charles in the coming weeks. These engagements include hosting a state visit at Buckingham Palace for the Emperor and Empress of Japan in late June. The palace also provided an update on the king's ongoing treatment, expressing doctors' satisfaction with his progress and their approval for him to resume public-facing duties. The palace has not disclosed the timeline for the completion of King Charles's treatment. According to a palace spokesperson, it is too early to determine, but the medical team is encouraged by the progress made so far and remains positive about the king's ongoing recovery. The spokesperson also mentioned that King Charles is greatly encouraged to be resuming public-facing duties and is grateful for the continued care and expertise of his medical team. In other news, it was revealed that King Charles's daughter-in-law, Kate Middleton, has also been undergoing cancer treatment. Last month, she confirmed her cancer diagnosis after weeks of speculation about her health. In an emotional video announcement, she shared a personal message of support for those affected by the disease, urging them not to lose faith or hope and assuring them that they are not alone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to us.